Hello class, welcome back to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Hope all of you are fine and please stay at home and watch my videos. Today I will show you how to add two numbers in Java. This is for beginners who just start to learn Java. First, go to new class and then write down your class name. Suppose I give here name add. Okay. And then right click on that and go for open editor. Go for first option which is open editor. Then you see lots of things written over here. So you just nothing to do. You just select all and press your delete button from your keyboard. Then in my previous videos, I already show you how to download and install Java in your machine and how to write down or print your name in Java. That two videos link I will share in my this video in description section. Now I am showing you how to add two numbers in a simple way. Okay. So in my previous videos also I have discussed that anything you have to write down in Java inside a class. So write down public all in small letter. Public class. What is your class name here? Just now I click on new class and give the class name add. So your class name is add. So whatever class name you A in capital A given, so A in capital, whatever name you given, you just write down that name only here. Try to give one meaningful name. Suppose here I am doing addition, so I am giving the name add. Suppose you are going to do product, so you give name pro or product like this. Then you don't give name add. So according to what you are going to do, according to that you give your name. So name should be meaningful. Then inside second bracket you have to do all these things. Then you have to write down main function. Public static all in small letter void and main. Then bracket open, bracket close. Then again second bracket. All things you have to write down inside the second bracket. Then you see this line and this line you have to write down for all programs in Java. So these are the common lines. Public class, your class name, whatever your present class name. Inside second bracket, opening and closing at last, I will close this. You have to write down the whole program. And after that, you have to write down public static void main, bracket open, bracket close. And inside second curly bracket, you have to write down your program. This is mandatory for all programs. This is common for all programs. Okay. Very soon, when you are practicing, very soon you are habituated with this. Then, for adding two numbers, we need two numbers. If I tell you, please add two numbers, then what is your question? Ma'am, what are the two numbers? So, please supply us two numbers, then we can add the two numbers only. So, first you are asking for two numbers. So, for declaring numbers, that means for storing numbers, we need variables. So, for variables, what are the type of variables we need to mention first? Type means which type of value we want to store in computer. Suppose number is an integer. So we write down int. Int for integer. That means type of variable here integer. Don't write down integer, just write down int. Then give a gap, one space and give any variable name. Suppose here I am giving name A. Then give one equal to assignment operator. Assign one value. Suppose I am giving here 5. And then you press one semicolon. Okay. So here is I am storing two values. Then I can only add these two values. So here the variable type where to store. I have to store a variable which takes some place or memory in computer. So these variable type we have to mention, then variable name. So variable type, there are so many variable types. Later on I will discuss, but today I want to store one number. Number is integer type. That's why I declare int as a variable type. This is variable type. Then one gap, one space, then any name, variable name, any name. Suppose I give here A. You can give X, Y, Z, any name. Then equal to means assign a value which is I just assign 5. You can assign any value 10, 12, 1000, 15, whatever. So I assign a value to a variable A. In the computer memory, a place take which is called A and which can store only integer type value, and here I am storing 5. Okay. Then I need another variable. Adding two number we need. Again, same things we have to do. Type of variable, name of variable. First name give A, second name I give B. Don't give the same name for two variables. Give separate names. Suppose I store here 10. So I want to add 5 and 10. Then for adding also we need one third variable, where third integer type variable where we add these A and B and store in that type of integer type of variable. So here also I write down int. Suppose for A for sum equal to, don't write down 5 plus 10, you write down A plus B, because in A you already stored 5. From this side to this side it comes 5 stored in A, 10 stored in B. Now we add A plus B, and after getting A plus B, computer stored the result in S. So in S now we have the result. Now you know how to print system S in capital letter. I again mention only S in capital letter, rest of the letter in small. Dot out dot println bracket. Then you print a statement like printing your name. You print sum of two numbers are, then you can close your code. This is your message to print. Then plus, you give one plus sign to join it with your answer. In S you have answer. After addition you store in S, you not need to do addition, computer will do it for it, and store in S, and in S you have answer, so write here S. Then simple. So I again explain this line. System S in capital. I have already discussed in my previous video how to print. So system.out.println is the printing statement. Inside bracket, you just write down S, then it just show the result. But if we want to show one message with this also, then within double quote, write printing your name within double quote. Anything you want to print, you have to write down inside double quote. So I have written here sum of two numbers are, double quote close. Then you have to join with your message with your result. So in A you have the result output, so you give one plus sign join with this message with your output, that means result. Plus, and then whatever the variable you use to store your result, you write down that name bracket. Then after semicolon, you have to all things done. So you have to close this bracket, main bracket, and this class bracket. Now I have to compile before I go for execution. So click on compile button. You see here showing error. Which error? For finding error, you have to press Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K you press. So here T I have missing, typing mistake, print. So you can easily depict the error. You can easily find out the error. Okay, it's showing the line, which line you have error and which type of error. So there is a printing mistake, T is missing there. That's why it's showing the error. Now again compile. Now it's showing class compile, no syntax error. So in down you can see if there is any error or not. So after you compile your program, then you close it and then right click on your class and go for void main. Then you can see your output screen or terminal window is here. Here is showing sum of two numbers are. You see, I am not write the result there. I just write down A plus B. In A we have 5 and B we have 10. So computer automatically do the calculation and give us the result. So this is perfectly alright, and this is how to find out addition or summation of two numbers. So you keep practicing. Next video I will show you more calculation. Till now, please watch my video, share feedback. If you have any doubt, any query, so please don't hesitate to write me. I'm waiting for that, and don't forget to press bell icon for further notification, and please subscribe my channel. This is only for you, so as much you subscribe, I can get touch with you and I can share my videos with you. Thank you.